afternoon to one and all present over here. I hope you all are doing fine. So as you know that social internship is going on and we are having different students from different university, and one of them is like, her name is Vanshika, Miss Vanshika, and she's like one of the most knowledgeful, cute, adorable volunteer come intern of the Shiksha Kranti family. Today I'll be asking how her experience has been in these like 15 days. So first of all, I would like you to give introduction of yours.
So very good afternoon everyone, my name is Vanshika and I am here for my social internship at NGO Shiksha Kranti.
Could you please tell me your experience in these 15 days, whatever the things that you have learned from here?
I have learned certain things. Experience was really great. I got to meet the sir, you of course, and my other fellow mates. And what I learned from here is like, सबसे पहले तो मैंने ये सीखा कि communicate, how to communicate, how to don't just suppress your feelings, your emotions, how to communicate properly, how to make friends, both where the gender is not a factor, and how to meditate. Also, it has improved my English, I guess, my communication skills, my grammar, and मैं काफ़ी मतलब ना साफ सफाई भी करने लगी हूँ यहाँ से, मतलब जाने के बाद भी करूँगी obviously.
Okay, so as you know that the Shiksha Kranti, we just conduct plantation drives. We are more concerned about the nature. So what do you think? Like, what is the difference that you have seen in the previous you and the new you after coming over here? Is like you have gotten some of the responsibility towards environment, or you have started caring for the environment, something like that?
Yes, I have become more responsible as compared to the previous Vanshika, and I have also I have like starting से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा environmental conscious थी. मैं चाहती थी कि मतलब मैं जहाँ भी ऐसे कचरा वगैरह तो उठा के, कल भी अगर मैं कल का experience बताऊँ, so there was one auntie, ऐसे हम बस में बैठे थे, so she was like eating some peanuts and she was also drinking वो होता है ना लाहौरी जीरा, वो पी रही थी, and she was about to throw that out of the window and I asked her to give me that. और फिर मैं उसको अपने मुझे कोई डस्टबिन नहीं मिला तो उसको मैं अपने घर ले गई और वहाँ जाके मैंने फेंक दिया. तो मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि छोटा सा टास्क था ऑब्वियसली, बट काफ़ी बड़ा चेंज, छोटे टास्क ना काफ़ी बड़े चेंज ला सकते हैं एनवायरनमेंट में अगर आप सब लोग उसको परफॉर्म करोगे तो.
Could you please tell me any of the lesson that you have learned that you would always keep in your mind and heart for forever?
Always meditate.
Oh, it's good.
Meditation helps you bring your consciousness, your true identity.
Okay, so could you please tell me any of the 3 qualities that you have seen in Sir that you want to have also, or you are imbibing?
First of all, obviously, the mindset of creating a peaceful environment, a clean environment, the mindset of doing meditation, yoga, and finally the mindset of communicating in such a way that it impresses other people.
Just tell me any one person of this institute with whom like you were most jovial and you share the best memories.
Obviously, it's you.
Thank you.
Srishti. इसने बोला था कि इसका नाम ले, तो मैंने इसका इसलिए नाम लिया है. यहाँ पे आने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि काफ़ी अच्छे लोग भी हो सकते हैं इस दुनिया में, जो मुझे नहीं मिले थे मुझे अब मिले हैं.
Okay, so
इनके जैसे.
Okay. मेरे जैसे.
इनके जैसे नहीं, बाकियों के जैसे.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So like like in these 15 days you have gathered lots of knowledge. You have come to you have come through like many of the plantation drive. We also went to like do some of the plantation drives and we did lots of things with the nature. So what do you think, like even after going back to the university where you are in, would you like pass your knowledge to all the people whom you would encounter, whatever the things that you have learned, and would you be still in touch with us after this also?
Yes, I'll definitely be in touch with you guys, with this NGO, with the sir, and the answer to your first question was previous question was that yes, of course, I'll also pass on this guidance, this learning, and this quality to my friends.
Okay, so as we know that like in these past 15 days, the days were amazing, and could you please tell me any of the one thing in these 15 days that you like the most and you're going to take it with you, like any of the memory?
There are certain memories, like when we celebrated the recreational day, हमने अंताक्षरी खेली थी, हमने दमश्वास खेला था. कल ही हम लोगों ने मैं जितना यहाँ पे हंसी हूँ, आई गेस मैं कभी कितना यहाँ पे हंसी नहीं हूँ, कहीं पे भी हंसी नहीं हूँ. तो एक वो मेमोरी है. और दैट आवर विजिट टू दैट इंस्टीट्यूट, द स्कूल्स, वो भी वहाँ पे पिक्चर क्लिक करना, ये वो. तो वो सारी बहुत सारी मेमोरीज हैं जो मैं अपने साथ लेके जाऊँगी और अपने अपने हमेशा अपने दिल में रखूँगी.
So, if you were to give any one message to all of us, what would that be?
Yeah, I guess there is one. So guys, ये थोड़ा सा अगर मतलब हट के बोलूँ मैं इस टॉपिक से, इस पॉडकास्ट से, सो वो ये है कि whenever you are sitting in a group, it may be your friends, your family, your relatives, और उस ग्रुप में कोई ऐसा भी बंदा हो जिसको आप नहीं जानते हो, always make sure कि everyone feels included, no one feels left out. क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी बार ऐसा देखा है लोगों को, मैं अपनी बात भी करूँ, मैंने काफ़ी ऐसा फेस भी किया है कि मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि शायद मैं इस ग्रुप का पार्ट नहीं हूँ. सो येस, ऑलवेज़ मेक श्योर कि नो वन इज़ फीलिंग लेफ्ट आउट. मैंने पहले भी काफ़ी बार ऐसा किया है, किसी को मैंने लेफ्ट आउट फील नहीं करवाया है और आगे भी मैं करती रहूँगी. सो आई वॉन्ट you guys also to make sure that.
According to you, what makes this institute like way more different than other NGOs maybe that are working throughout India? What do you think? What is that one thing?
The quality of sir to recognize everyone's ability and giving everyone opportunity to speak up and to indulge in activities. That's I like the most about this NGO.
It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
And I really felt nice taking the podcast of yours. And these 15 days, they passed in the wink of the moment, but we'll be always remembering you. You'll be always in our heart. And I wish for your future prosperity and success for you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Vishwa.
आपको यहाँ पे कितने साल हो गए? कितना टाइम हो गया आपको यहाँ पे?
Probably 3 years.
3 years. So in 3 years में जितने लोगों को आपने जाना है, ठीक है? तो आपको किस में ऐसे क्वालिटी बोल सकते हैं या फिर किससे आपकी वाइब ज़्यादा मैच हुई है या फिर आप कनेक्ट कर पाए हो?
To be really honest with you.
Thank you.
Because I see my, like bigger version in you. Because I see myself in you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.